Seabed profile stable.
We have a confirmed return on the target, approximate length 8 meters.
Cylinder confirmed.
Strong Ferris hit.
Confirmed. Mark the position.
Passing 150 meters, supervisor, maintaining descent rate. Copy that, pilot. Keep the forward lights steady. Wait, I have the target. The tank is in view. Visual coming in. We're seeing heavy localized pitting at the 12 o'clock position.
Roger that. The marine growth seems extensive but stable.
Log the coordinates for further analysis. And the structurally sound. Survey, confirm reading on probe 2.
Reading confirmed, 40% burial depth.
Clear approach zones. Descending online.
Sediment cohesive.
Bridge, station keeping active, holding position at 0 meters.
Copy that. Proceeding with Stage 1 deployment.
Position locked.
Creation locked.
Marker deployed. Position confirmed. Roger that. Telemetry looks good.
Markers aligned.
Clear on port side. Burial reducing. Stable, no roll.
Support port seated.
Pilot 2 supervisor, we have visual on support structure 4, contact and clearance verified.
Copy that, pilot. Structure stabilization confirmed.
Obstruction removed.
Frame descending.
Pins secured.
Okay, approaching the starboard sling connection now.
Copy, ROV-1. Verify the green tag is still attached to the shackle.
Affirmative, tag is visible and secure.
Bags ready!
Lines clear.
Winch operator, engaging line 3.
Confirmed tension building. Supervisor.
Maintain steady pressure, watch for slippage.
Loads balance.
Begin load test. Monitor the green indicators.
Sequence active. Stable hold achieved.
We have the load clear, holding steady.
Acknowledged. Diver, inspect the forward sling.
Reading stable, minor bubbling at the mid-seam. No anomalies.
Load test passed.
Clear of bottom.
Attitude steady.
Hold a dip.
Trim nose down.
Level confirmed. That vent open, pilot. We are showing slight overbuoyancy on the forward section.
Copy that. Increasing flow.
Approaching surface.
Secure the port tag line. Watch the tension.
Secured, supervisor. Ready for the lift.
Acknowledge. All hands clear the splash zone.
Surface breach.
Start dewatering.
Readings normal. Blocks.
The load is stable. Slack is clear.
Crane, confirm release. The tank is secure on deck.
Hot work zone set.
Nozzle caps intact. Thickness within range.
Tow gear checked. Under last port.
Alongside steady.
Even the spring line, slowly.
Line is secured, Supervisor.
Gangway is down and secured. Crane in position.
Take the weight, shore crane. Weight is secure. Clear to lower to the laydown area.
Set on cradle.
Down all yours, put NIA. Right, thanks for a stopper down.
Load level.
Can I venture now? You click, take your press fast 21, 5, 2, 1, from wet. Where we go, so go to big red.
To wash.
More pressure on that seam. We need to clear the anodes next.
Flush complete. No critical loss?
No critical loss.
Sealed and paked.
All the final checks are complete.
Accepted as is.
The structural integrity around this section is compromised.
Agreed. The lift footage show asymmetrical loading. We need
All compliant.